Hello adventurers, I'm Hannah Baker and I'm the creative manager here at the resort. So this year, one of our most loved rides, the Vampire, celebrated its 30th birthday. So in recognition of it reaching this fantastic milestone, our in-house creative team spent the winter revamping some of its iconic features. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you what we've been doing. So in our queue line, you'll notice that we've added some theming. We've redone some of the landscaping. There's some gravestones and some spooky figures that have been added, plus an amazing new atmospheric score that you can hear that will give you chills whilst you queue. Okay, so the Vampire Organist is obviously one of the ride's most iconic features. So we've done loads of work up here to bring this back to life. So I'm just going to show you what we've done. So we stripped the set and gave it a huge deep clean. We repainted the organ, added these fantastic new drapes. We added lots of new props and refurbished some of the old ones. And we created a bed actually for the Vampire because he goes out on his flight, so it's nice for him to have something to come back to. Plus we added a little feature to the organ, which is the mirror, because I remember when I was younger I used to come down here and get really scared because I could see his face in the mirror. So we put that back in so that our younger audiences can see his face too, and have a similar experience to what I did. Plus we added a brand new state-of-the-art lighting rig to bring it all to life.
Hi, my name's Matt. I'm the Senior Audio Visual and Show Control Engineer for the results. This winter was a really good challenge for us. The organist had a complete strip down. Everything was taken apart, and when we took him apart we found that only 8 of its movements were originally used, even though there's 24 movements. So we reintroduced all those 24 movements to the show, even so that some you don't actually see, it still makes him very realistic. A whole new show control was built to make him move. We synchronised the music and synchronised all the lighting to work with the organist as well. So the lighting and the show control system is all integrated together. It's all in sync with the music. There's over 197 channels of lighting operations that we use, and 24 channels of digital outputs for the movements for the organist. All this is all synced together using a show control unit that allows the movements, the audio and the lighting to all sync together.
So one of the biggest changes you'll probably notice is the musical score. So I worked with composer Sam Fisher and we used Graham Smart's original iconic masterpiece and transformed it and remastered it using some new melodies and instruments and gave it a new lease of life for the next generation.
Hi, I'm Jess. I'm the creative artist at Chessington, and as part of the Vampire refurbishment we repainted some of these murals here, added some colour and brought them back to life.
So hopefully you'll enjoy all of the changes we've made and pop back because we're going to keep adding to them and there'll be lots of new things to see.